Hello everyone, welcome back to channel, and today we'll be discussing that how you can protect your iPhone from thieves, or you can protect your iPhone from getting stolen. So there are some settings which Apple has introduced. You just need to go to your settings, and after going to your settings, just swipe up and you see that there's an option of Face ID and passcode. Just tap on the Face ID and passcode. It will ask you your passcode, and a screen like this will come up. What you need to do is just swipe down and you see that there is a stolen device protection. Just tap on it and make sure you have turned it off on. It can be on by setting up the Face ID. You just need to first set up the Face ID from here. As in my case, I haven't put up the Face ID yet, but to tell you that you need to set up the Face ID, it is very easy and just take your 2 minutes to set up the Face ID. Afterwards, you need to come to stolen device protection and you need to turn this on. This actually adds another layer of security to your iPhone, in that even that it is stolen to someone knows your passcode. After that, you just need to swipe up and you just need to disable the allow access when locked. It means that you just need to disable the control center when your phone is locked. So nobody can access the control center just like this if your phone is under lock mode, just like this. Okay. So that's why you need to turn it off. I hope this video helps you and protect your iPhone experience from the thieves or getting stolen. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I hope that for the next video, you keep subscribing and watching our content. Please support. Bye bye.